everyone and welcome back. Today we are going to listen to a new phonical story. Let's see what the story is about. The name of the story is Ella and Emma. Ella the baby elephant and Emma the emu are good friends. Ella has big ears and large eyes. Emma has long legs and is very tall. One morning, they met an eagle in a cave. "Look, that's an eagle," said Ella. The eagle flew away and sat on the other branch of a tree. They talked to the eagle and said, "Hi, I am Emma." "Hi, I am Ella." "Hey, my name is Emily," the eagle said. "I am new here," said the eagle. Ella and Emma said, "Amazing! Will you be our friend?" "Yes, why not?" said Emily. Ella, Emma, and Emily became best friends and enjoyed together. If you want to see more phonical stories of all the letters, please like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.